Suicide is the 12th leading cause of death in the United States. Today was the Rochester Out of the Darkness walk to raise awareness for suicide prevention. KIMT News 3 Samantha Soto takes us there.
46,000. That's how many Americans took their own lives last year alone. Hundreds of walks are taking place throughout the U.S., with several of them throughout southeast Minnesota. Out of the Darkness chapter for southeast Minnesota, Lindsay Hemker says she lost her best friend to suicide more than 4 years ago, and it was then she noticed more and more people around her have had similar losses.
So it really got to be, how can I help the community? How can community members help each other? How can we support each other, especially during the darkest of times?
Prairie Care has been taking part in the Out of the Darkness walk for several years. The mental health facility provides various programs for everyone, from children to adults.
If you have bad eyesight, you go in and you get glasses. If you have mental health, you should be able to go anywhere and be able to get help for that and not feel bad about it, like something's wrong with you. And I think that's what we want to try to do is get mental health and suicide awareness out of the darkness and not have it be a stigma and something we don't talk about.
And despite the bit of rain early this morning, dozens of families came out to celebrate those who they've lost to suicide and those who are still fighting.
After the sun started shining, I knew it was going to be an amazing day. I saw a rainbow on my way here, and it really meant a lot. Hundreds of people came out. Unfortunately, they came out because they may have lost a loved one or maybe battling, but they all came out and we're all together.
Today, more than 400 people showed up to support the cause and bring awareness to suicide prevention. In Rochester, Samantha Soto, KIMT News 3.
The funds raised today benefit the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. AFSP has been able to set a goal to reduce the annual suicide rate 20% by 2025.